Guys, this is about the magnificent tiny house design. It with combination about the box of tiny house and triangle roof and envelopes of the tiny house itself. We can look around for the front exterior for this tiny house anyway. We can see for the triangle roof with envelopes and the terrace area. Okay, this is about the terrace area and entrance and of the tiny house anyway. We can look around for the another side. This is about the right side and this is about the back side anyway. We can see about the extraordinary on the back side, and this is about the roof and the ground of the tiny house design anyway. We can look around for the terrace area. It has a large capacity of the terrace area with around 5 until to 4 until 5 seats with one table maybe, and it has small space right here to put off the shoe and the sandals and many more. Anyway, I think it's so functional space because it under the roof extension anyway. Okay, we can look around for the interior design. Yes, this is about the interior design. We can see for the right side with a living room area, and for the left side for the in with a kitchen area. I think maybe it could be add more one loft bed on the top anyway, because it's so large anyway. It's so large for tiny house. Maybe the functional of this tiny house is just for pavilion anyway, but it could be. It's very possible to make the another loft bed on the top of the kitchen or on the top of the living room area and the dining area maybe. In this video we can just explore for the extraordinary interior anyway. This is for the interior design with a large opening with a translucent glass on the window and the door right there. We can look around for this and we can see what the arrangement. This is about the basic arrangement of the furniture layout with kitchen, and this is about the living room space. Maybe this is could be a dining area maybe. I mean, in my opinion, this is could be a dining area near to the kitchen or in front of the kitchen, and right here could be a living room space, and on the top could be a loft bed area anyway. I think it's too so large enough to make more room, to make more dwelling room anyway, such as a loft bed, bathroom anyway. It have no bathroom anyway. I mean, this is just for pavilion for secondary living anyway, but we can explore more for this basic arrangement of this tiny house anyway. Okay, maybe this is one of the special video of my channel because it's just for basic shape or basic concept of this tiny house. Okay, thanks for watching and just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.